Assalamu alaikum, my name's Karim and today is Healthy Review. This is a banana, scientific name Musa. Yes, not the Prophet Musa alayhi salam. The scientific name for this is Musa. So fun fact of the day, the banana is part of the Musakaki, I can't pronounce the name, it's just some genus of some plantain, I'm going to have the name on the screen. But anyway, the point is, these, your common household bananas, are filled of the goodness. What kind of goodness? I'm talking to you guys about helping weight loss. We're talking about benefits of helping digestion. Bananas are filled with good nutrients. It's a good source of fiber and potassium. It has vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, manganese, has good fats, proteins and whatnot. Bananas also may help with your digestive health. They contain pectin. These are good source of fibers. So if you have trouble in the washroom, make sure you have a banana. Not in the washroom, of course, but you know, just like in your diet. Bananas, as I said before, help you with weight loss, and they also help with heart health. You know, that heart, that thing that's always beating. If it stops for a minute, you'll notice it. The heart. You know, it's always that thing, that sound we always hear. You know, our heartbeat is the sound that follows us our entire life. But we don't even pay attention to it until the day it stops. Until the day our heart stops. You know, you got to keep that heart healthy. And I recommend bananas. Bananas, include them in your diet. You know, bananas also include powerful antioxidants. So if you've got oxidation agents in your blood. Alright, what I mean is, basically, you have naturally, like, especially in the Western diet, we take on a lot of bad stuff. We take on a lot of junk. Bananas help get rid of that junk. So all I'm saying is put some banana in your life. And you know what? Bananas don't just help the heart, they also help your kidneys. So I'd recommend to get some bananas into your life. Make them a daily thing. As you see here, we got unripe bananas and we have ripe bananas. So we constantly have a good source. This is for today and tomorrow. This is for a few days from now. And you know what? Bananas are easy to add to your diet and they help with exercise. So you know what? I would recommend these. But it does not stop there. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna move this conversation into the bedroom. Yes, you see, we're about to enter a slightly different realm. If you have kids in the room, switch off the channel now because we're going to be discussing the other benefits of bananas. Benefit number one, they can help us contain folic acid, which if you're a woman, you need to get pregnant, have bananas. You know, it has small amounts of folic acid in there, it'll help you get pregnant. These help with pregnancy and generally, they're all good. Secondarily, wives, don't just have bananas and be the only one having them. No. Gotta get the gents this. You're like, why? Well, this both affects ladies and gentlemen, but mostly men. The next effect is very powerful. You see, bananas help with our libido. Both men and women, these beautiful bananas help with the libido. You know, there's usually a sign in nature. There's types of fruit that look like the figure of a woman. And they are actually being found to be helpful to a woman. Because it's like almost like nature designed them for a woman's physiology. And bananas, I don't have to explain, but they look like a man's physiology. And they help with men. They help with erectile dysfunction. Yes, I know I just went there. Normally I don't deal with this on my show, but you guys have to know, if you're having trouble in the bedroom, and there's no shame in it, gentlemen, it happens to the best of us, but if you're having trouble, have some bananas. Get them in your diet. They're good all around, they help your body, but they also help you when it comes time. We all know what we're talking about, and there's no shame in it. Have bananas. It boosts your libido And if you're having erectile dysfunction, pop a few of these every day and you'll find that within a few weeks you'll be good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, these, great for marriages, great for the body, great for all around life. I'll leave a list in the description right now. I'll leave a list right now of the benefits of bananas. So, I hope you enjoy. Once again, this has come to goodness. Another episode of Healthy Review. My name's Abdul Karim, and thank you for watching. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section below. You should read all my messages. Feel free to give us a like and to share on Facebook, on social media, and also feel free to hit subscribe. We'll have another episode of Healthy Review up shortly. Thanks for watching. My name's Abdul Karim, and this has come to goodness.